Hey YouTube, Big Mike. Um, Making another video here. This is for the great state of Mississippi. I got a request to do this video on YouTube, so here it is. Yeah, go to this website, ms.gov. Let's see here, residence, business. Start your business. Boom. There you go. Go up in here. Register your business. So yeah, check this out. Let me take you back here. This is another one you want to go to, Department of Public Safety. Okay. Check that out. And this is the other one. Health. So yeah, let me see. Let's take me back. There it is. So yeah, this is the main page here. Yeah, they try to hide it. Residence working services. So yeah, basically you go up here and you type what you are looking for, and boom. And that'll get you in there. So yeah, I'm gonna leave a link below, and I got a course online you could purchase and start your non-medical transportation business, your non-emergency medical transportation business in Mississippi, the good state of Mississippi. All right, that's it for now. Big Mike, I'm out. Peace.